For more than 35 years, Sécheron has been delivering protective polyester enclosures for the smaller DC circuit breakers for mass transit vehicles. Since 2010, metallic enclosures for AC circuit breakers and high-range DC circuit breakers has been released for EMU and trains. And now, we are excited to present the latest addition to our lineup, the all-new DC circuit breaker metallic enclosure for mass transit vehicles. Not only does it seamlessly integrate the DC circuit breaker, but it can be customized to also accommodate additional functions, such as voltage and current sensors, with accuracy up to class 0.5 R. Unlike the previous polyester enclosure, our metallic enclosure eliminates the need for an extra supporting frame. It's a self-supporting enclosure, ready to install and connect directly to your vehicle. High-voltage cable bushing option is available, allowing direct connection of cables to be done without the need to open the box. Whether you choose to install it on the vehicle's roof, or soon beneath the frame, the new metallic enclosure provides exceptional protection and reliability. With an upgraded IP56 protection index, our enclosure ensures robust performance even in challenging environments. Plus, we offer an optional walk-on feature, to make it easier to move around on the roof during maintenance operations. And to match your vehicle's aesthetics, the outer color of the enclosure is fully customizable, giving you the flexibility to create a cohesive design. The new metallic enclosure is suitable for UR10 and UR15 breakers, supporting rated voltages of 900 volts DC or 1800 volts DC, making it ideal for a variety of railway applications. With thousands of our metallic enclosures already delivered worldwide, Sécheron continues to be a leading provider of reliable and innovative solutions for the railway industry.